In this video, I will show you how you can fix Marvel Rivals crashing or freezing on your PC. So first of all, once you are in the game, you can start by adjusting your settings, which is specifically graphic settings. Make sure that your super resolution mode is set to balanced rather than ultra quality or native. Once you are done, the next step will going to be limiting your FPS. If you are playing on 90 FPS or more than that and you have a low end device, you need to make sure to lower them, or you can also see this little arrow which is also indicating what settings are suitable for your PC. Then we need to simply scroll down until we see graphics. Make sure to click on optimize, and this is going to optimize your graphics according to the PC capacity. But I recommend to simply go for lower, as it is a new game. You might face some difficulties or errors or glitches while playing on the highest settings. Last thing that I can recommend is checking your task manager. If you have any unnecessary application running in the background, make sure to end its task, otherwise it can also use unnecessary memory while you are playing game on your main screen. So as I said, make sure to optimize your graphics to the lower settings first. If your PC can handle, you can go for the higher, but as I said, it is a new game, so make sure to test out the lower graphics first, then you can go with the higher settings. So these are the ways of how you can fix crashing or freezing on Marvel Rivals on PC.